Want to level up faster? These 20 rules will turbocharge your growth. Don't blink! Break big dreams into daily bites. Small wins equals big momentum. Focus on 1 to 3 must-dos daily. Cut the clutter. Measure everything. What gets tracked gets mastered. Screw up quickly. Every failure is a data point. Study in 25-minute bursts. Retention marathon sessions. Silence notifications. Your focus is gold. Tweak your space to make success automatic. Guard your time. Every yes steals from your goals. Chain habits. After X, I do Y. Ask, what's one thing I can improve? Every week. Burnout kills progress. Rest like a pro. Routine choices drain energy. Automate them. Your network sets your pace. Upgrade it. Reward every win. Motivation is fuel. If it's not working, pivot fast. Sunk cost is a trap. Group similar tasks. Context switching kills speed. See the steps, not just the trophy. Double down on strengths. Pay experts for the rest. Growth hides outside cozy zones. Chase the sting. Reflect weekly. What worked? What's next? Smash like, subscribe, and comment your favorite rule. Let's race!